Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Speedway. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. You can also like and comment on this video to share us your experience and how we can help you. You can also join my Telegram group. It's below the video description. You can join the Telegram group to meet some pro and also to have access to free indicator. So today I'm going to introduce you to another strategy that you can use to take a buy and sell level. This strategy really works. It is 100% accurate, you know, but you need to follow the rules and the regulation that I explained in this video. So in this strategy only works in boom 1000 and crash 1000 on 1 minute time frames. So you can only use it to take a sell entry, and you can also only use it to take a buy entry. You can only use it to take a sell entry on boom 1000, and you can only use it to take a buy entry on crash 1000. So before I go into explanation, so let me show you the settings of this strategy. So on my main chart, I have my moving average. My moving average is the first thing I have there. So I have the parameter to be in the period of 40. I have shift to be in 0. I have method to be simple. I have applied to close, and I have my style in blue color. So you can choose any color of your choice. Then you press on done, and also you can click on the second thing that I have on my main chart. You can choose any color, then you press on done. So this only indicates the beginning of a trade and the end of the trade. So in my indicator window 1, I have my MacD there. The MacD, the parameter of it, the first EMA is having 12. I have a slow EMA which is 26. I have the MacD XMA which is 9. I have apply to open. I have my style in blue color and in red color. So you can also choose any color of your choice, the color that you know is best for you. So that's with these settings now, you will have it on your main chart. So that's how you will have this strategy on your main chart. So how do you take this? How do you trade this particular strategy? Taking a sell entry on 1000 on 1 minute time frames. So I'm using the last zoom level. If you are asking for the zoom level, I'm using the last zoom level. So how do you take this particular trade? So for you to confirm this particular trade, you can only take up to 7 to 10 candles, then you are out of the market every time. Just confirm this entry and take 7 to 10 candles, then you are out of the market. So let me explain to you how this will really help you. So you see now, what you are going to be looking for every time for you to trade is this particular zone. For you to take a sell entry, you are going to be looking on this particular entry, and what you are going to be looking there is my moving average, which is my red here. Anytime it break out of the MACD, then that is the time for you to enter the market. You see, let me show you this. You see, there is a breakout between the MACD and the moving average at this section. You see, the MACD show up to this level, and my moving average just flow up to this level, but there is a breakout. You see, the moving average move outside of the MACD. So that's how you can enter the market, and you count out your 7 to 10 candlestick, then you are out of the market. You see this particular trade now. So just take your 7. Don't get scared about the spike. The spike is going to happen. We are going to have a lot of BB spike, but just take up to 7 candlestick, then you are out of the market. So let me show you more example, some more entry on this. You see, but don't take a very small MACD like this. Don't take a small MACD like this. It might affect you because it might keep on spiking for a long period of time. So look for a MACD that is very high like this. So every time you just look for that. So let's look for another entry. You see this particular entry now. You see, when the moving average break out of the MACD, then you count your your 7 candle, then you are out of the market. 7 to 10 candlestick, then you are out of the market. You see this particular level, same thing happen here. So this is a strategy that it keep on repeating itself in market time to time. You have to wait to confirm this particular level. When you confirm this particular level that is outside of the what of the entry, you see, then you can easily enter the market and count your 7 candlestick and what and out of the market. So with this strategy now, you can make a lot of profit every day. Just imagine you are making $10 every day. So in a month, that will be 10 times 30, and that is $300. If it's 0.50 every day, then in a month you are making something out of it instead of you blowing up your account. So with this strategy now, you can see when the moving average move away from the MacD, then you can easily take up your market, count your 7 candlestick, count it, then you set it up. And also don't forget to set up your stop loss. Let your stop loss always be at the up of the MacD. Yes, it's going to be at the top of the highest in the MacD there. So you see that, so it's going to be. So you can also look for another strategy, another thing. Okay, let's check this. You see, this is the highest of the MacD. So your stop loss is going to be on the highest of this MacD. Then you look for your entry. Then your entry is going to be from this level. Is going to be in this level, which is this level. You see that, which is this level. So you can easily count down your 7 candle, and you can easily take up your sell and move away from the market. So you see that it's happen time to time. It happen many every day. It happen many time every day. You see this. You see, so this particular time is going to be your entry, and your stop loss is going to be around this particular zone. So you just count your 7 to 10 candlestick, then you are out of the market. So same thing happen on crash 1000. So let's check crash 1000 to see. So by doing this, you see, so in this crash 1000, what you only need to take as your buy is this particular entry. You see, this particular entry is what you are going to be focusing on. You see, so let's check this particular zone. You see, when the moving average move away from the MacD, you see it move away from the MacD, then you can easily take up your buy zone, and you can easily count up to 7 to 10 candlestick, then you are out of the market. Same thing happen time to time. It happen repeatedly. It happen every moment. You see it take away from the MacD. So when it move away from the MacD at this particular zone, you can easily count your 7 to 10 candlestick every day, then making your profits every moment. So with this particular thing, you can open a lot size of 3 to 4, then you count your 7 candlestick, then you out of the market. So with that, you can easily make a lot of profit. So I don't forget that you don't take a very baby MacD. You look for a very high one. Look for a very high one like this. You see, like this particular zone. So something happened here. You see, it take away from the MacD. So at this particular zone now, if you enter here, you will have count up to 7 candle, then you will have out of the market. But if spike really happens, it's still going to what? It's still going to favor you at the end of everything. You see, until that particular moving average at this level, before it reach my zero level here. So you just keep on practicing this on your demo account before using your real account. So if you are watching this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button to notify you more and more. And also you can also like and comment on this video and how we can help you. I have my Telegram group below this video description. You can join to meet a pro and to have access to some free tips. Thanks.